Hi friends, we're talking about Groundhog Day. Groundhog Day comes around every February 2nd. It does not matter what day of the week it is, it's just the date. So it's Groundhog Day, February 2nd. Everyone is waiting for Phil the groundhog to wake up and come out of his burrow. That's where he sleeps in the ground. If it's cloudy, Phil won't see a shadow and he will stay outside. That means spring is coming. If it's sunny, Phil will see his shadow. He will go back inside his burrow and there will be 6 more weeks of winter. But Phil is still asleep inside his dark, warm bed. Suddenly, Phil is lifted up high in the air. Everyone cheers, hooray! Then Phil is on the cold ground. He takes a few steps and looks around. I wonder what he's thinking. No shadow. He sees a lot of feet, but no shadow. He looks up and sees cold gray skies, but no shadow. The crowd shouts, hooray! Phil does not see a shadow. Spring is on its way. Look at all those hats. Phil hears a big click. A flashlight flashes. The light makes a shadow. Uh-oh. Eek, squeals Phil. He dives back into his burrow. All the years, people thought it was the weather. Now we know the truth. Phil is afraid of his own shadow. Isn't that funny? So, in honor of Groundhog's Day, you're going to make a headband if you would like. You can decorate this any way you want. You can cut it out or have an adult cut it out, and it's going to wrap around your head. Then this is a game of rolling the dice. So you need something, a marker, a crayon, a pencil, and you're going to roll your dice at home. Number 1. So you're going to color in number 1 and keep going for all the different numbers. Here is one you could practice writing your name, and you could look at the shadows and the shapes, and you're going to connect the shape to the shadow. On February 2nd, you're going to check out the weather and see what's going on outside. Is it cloudy? Is it sunny? Is it windy? Is it snowing? Is it raining? Is it partly cloudy? You decide what the weather looks like that day, and then you can find out from the news if the groundhog saw a shadow. No means spring will become early. Yes means there's 6 more weeks of winter. So figure out which one it is, and you can color that in. We don't have an answer yet. Then we have our puzzle of the groundhog. Decorate them any way you'd like, and then you can cut it or have an adult help you cut it, and then put it in order from 1 all the way up to 5. Have fun on Groundhog's Day. Bye, friends.